Healthcare is evolving. Doctors need more than records. They need a connected care platform, one that helps them understand every patient's journey from the very first visit to well beyond delivery. This is I, and this is your doctor portal. Every morning begins the same way for a doctor. Where are my patients? What needs attention today? I brings the answer to your very first screen. Today's view shows you everything that matters right now. Smart nudges that surface the most urgent tasks, pending follow-ups, overdue lab reviews, and consultation reminders, all organized, all in one place. No chasing files, no missed calls, just clear, actionable priorities to start your day. Every pregnancy journey is unique. With I, every patient has a complete digital record, always available, always organized. Search your entire patient base in seconds. Filter by trimester, status, or risk level. And open any patient to see their full care journey on one screen. Meet Priya Sharma. Here is her pregnancy week, her appointment history, her clinical timeline, and every note, report, and prescription attached directly to her record. The complete context, available before she enters your chamber. I keeps the clinical picture clear, so your consultation begins the moment your patient walks in. Not every pregnancy needs the same level of attention. I gives you clear risk visibility across your patient list, so you can focus where it matters most. Identify your high attention patients at a glance. I supports doctors in organizing care priorities. It does not diagnose or replace clinical judgment. The decisions remain yours. I simply helps you see the full picture faster. You decide when you're available. I makes that visibility seamless for you and for your patients. Set your clinic hours, define your consultation windows, and manage your schedule from one organized calendar. Doctors control their time. Patients experience a smoother appointment journey. Everyone benefits. Diagnostic reports, connected directly to the patient record. The moment a lab report is uploaded, it is available here, linked to the right patient, visible from your portal. Open any report to view the full diagnostic, complete blood count, urine, thyroid, and add your clinical review notes directly against the report. No printouts, no separate systems. Connected diagnostics right where you need them. Prescriptions and medication support, organized alongside the rest of the care journey. Doctors can review and manage prescription workflows without switching between systems. One platform, no switching, no gaps. Managing a practice or multiple clinic locations. I keeps your practice ecosystem organized in one place. Clinic information, consultation settings, location details, managed from the same doctor portal. Whether you practice from one clinic or several, I supports the way you work. Simple digital practice operations. Billing workflows that don't get in the way of patient care. Invoices, transactions, and billing history at your fingertips without the paperwork. I. Connected pregnancy care. From doctors to mothers. From pregnancy to parenthood. I.ai